Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to log out of Instagram account. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. So in this video I will show you how to log out your account. Even if you have multiple account, we will show you how to log it out. So first you have to click on the profile icon, then click on the three dot at the top. You see the three lines. Once you click on it, you will show a menu. So now click on the setting and privacy. There's a multiple option, to you have to click on the setting and privacy and scroll it down, and at the end you see that log out of your current account, that is the username of your account, and log out of all accounts. So you have to click on the log out of your account and you will show a pop-up message. So click on the log out if you want to click log out your account. So these are the some simple way to log out of your account. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.